Toilet cleaning. The main purpose of toilet cleaning is to ensure that any harmful bacteria is removed. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including the chemical safety datasheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions and cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on the appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the National Standards for Healthcare Cleanliness. Assemble the colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning disinfecting agent according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the caution signs. Ensure cleaning, chemicals and disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with your local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report it as required. The tools you'll need to clean a toilet are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, cloths, disposable cloths or impregnated wipes, toilet brush, appropriate cleaning agent. We'll now talk you through how to clean a toilet. Make sure the work area is safe. Cordon off the toilet prior to commencing the clean. Before cleaning the toilet, clean any associated hand or grab rails. With the toilet brush, carefully agitate the inside of the toilet pan to lower the water line. Apply the cleaning, disinfecting, descaling agent inside the toilet and under the rim. Using the toilet brush, clean the inside of the toilet bowl, including under the waterline and under the rim. When satisfied with the result, flush the toilet with the toilet brush head in the water flow. Tap off any excess water and replace the holder. Local policy may differ. Clean the handle, the cistern and, if present, the top side of the lid and underside of the lid. Change your cloth. Clean the top of the toilet seat, the underneath of the toilet seat, refold the cloth and use a clean surface or change the cloth. Clean the outside of the toilet bowl from top to bottom. Clean or replace the toilet brush holder. Reinstate the area for use. When you've finished, check all areas are completed, correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you're unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If you're using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all the equipment. Clean and remove the caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store the equipment safely. Charge battery or machinery as per the manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close the ventilation where necessary.